Deep in the heart of an ancient forest lay a hidden village called Greenhaven. The villagers lived in harmony with nature, guided and protected by the guardian of the forest, a wise and powerful spirit named Arya. Revered by all, Arya was the villagers' source of counsel and blessings. The forest, rich with life and beauty, provided everything the villagers needed to thrive. One day, however, the peace of Greenhaven was threatened by the arrival of a ruthless logging company. The company's owner, Mr. Blackwood, saw the forest as nothing more than a source of profit. Ignoring the villagers' desperate pleas, he ordered his men to cut down the trees and strip the land of its resources. Fearing for their home, the villagers turned to Arya for help. Understanding the gravity of the situation, Arya devised a plan to protect the forest and its inhabitants. She gathered the animals and spirits of the forest, explaining the danger they faced. United by a common goal, they prepared to confront the loggers. As the loggers advanced deeper into the forest, they began to experience strange phenomena. Trees seemed to move on their own, blocking their path. Animals appeared out of nowhere, causing chaos and confusion. Frightened and bewildered, the loggers reported these incidents to Mr. Blackwood, who dismissed them as mere superstitions. Determined to continue, Mr. Blackwood led his men into the heart of the forest, where Arya and the villagers awaited. As they approached, Arya called upon the elements, summoning a powerful storm. Lightning flashed and thunder roared, shaking the ground beneath their feet. Now, truly terrified, the loggers begged Mr. Blackwood to turn back, but he refused, driven by his greed. At that moment, Arya appeared before them, her form radiant and majestic. She warned Mr. Blackwood to leave the forest or face the consequences. Arrogant and dismissive, he ignored her warning and ordered his men to capture her. In response, Arya unleashed the full force of her power. Vines and roots sprang from the ground, ensnaring the loggers and forcing them to flee. Mr. Blackwood, now alone and defiant, attempted to cut down a massive tree that stood as the heart of the forest. As his axe struck the tree, a blinding light erupted, and the spirits of the forest surrounded him. With a voice filled with sorrow and resolve, Arya declared that Mr. Blackwood had violated the sacred balance of nature. The ground beneath him opened up, swallowing him whole, never to be seen again. With the threat vanquished, Arya and the villagers worked to heal the damage done to the forest. The animals and spirits returned to their peaceful existence, and the forest began to recover. Greenhaven flourished once more, its harmony restored. Forever grateful to Arya, the villagers honored her with a grand celebration. They planted new trees and held a ceremony to thank the spirits of the forest for their protection. Touched by their gratitude, Arya blessed the village with bountiful harvests and good fortune. The story of the guardian of the forest and her brave stand against the loggers became a cherished legend in Greenhaven. Passed down through generations, it reminded the villagers of the importance of living in harmony with nature and respecting the balance of the world around them. Arya continued to watch over the forest and its inhabitants, ensuring that peace and prosperity reigned. Greenhaven remained a sanctuary, a testament to the power of unity, respect, and the enduring spirit of the guardian of the forest. The moral of the story is that living in harmony with nature and respecting its balance are essential for world peace and prosperity. Thank you for watching Timeless Echoes, where every echo tells a story.